nandito kami ngayon sa Yacal Coffee Shop. This is definitely our favorite coffee shop ni Labi. They really do have good coffee. Pinakagusto namin is yung Spanish latte. The sweetness doesn't overpower yung coffee. Perfectly blended. Lalo na kung sawang-sawa ka na sa mga overhyped na kape na puro asukal lang naman yung lasa. Meron din silang pastries, rice meals, and pasta sa kanilang menu. Aside from that, very relaxing yung mismong location. Meron silang air-conditioned sitting area, pero mas preferred namin na lagi magstay sa malawak na ng alfresco area. For someone staying sa city, marirefresh ka talaga dito without traveling too far. They are located sa Million Trees Center dito lang sa Quezon City. To be honest, medyo pricey pero para sa amin it's worth it. Ang kalmado ng ambience ng place sa umaga. Then it transforms